Hey, how's it going, everybody? Today we're gonna go over how to draw supersonic powering up. Okay, he's gonna be powering up. Very, very cool. Somebody had requested this. I'm a huge Sonic fan. If you haven't guessed from the channel, this is gonna be completely for beginners. So if you want to do that and you're a beginner, you're welcome. You're in the right spot. Okay, it's gonna be step by step. Pretty much it. Let's get started. Alright, let's do this power up. I'm gonna go over here and I'm gonna just draw a curve up, down, for kind of the mouth there. And I'm gonna go over here and curve around the right, okay? This is gonna be the mouth turned up. Over here on the right side, same thing. Okay. Gonna draw upward here at the top for his nose sticking up, up, down, circle, over here, down, up, and it's going to curve around the side here. It's going to be his eye right there. You're not going to be able to see it much because he's looking up. And then straight across for the top of the head and down here. Over here, it's going to have a line out, down for the ear, line out, down for the other ear. And then now right here, we're going to draw kind of a circle area for the mouth. Curve down, curve across here, and then go up. All right, we're going to connect it up. Over here. Cross. Over here we're going to draw the bottom teeth, cross, and then over here we're going to do boom, boom for the mouth. And let's fill in that mouth now. Right on. Draw the eye over here on the inside, just a small curve and a dot right there. Alright, so let's go into the body over here. Curve over here for the front of the chest. Down over here for the arm. Down. I'll go over here on this side and I'm going to curve for the arm where it attaches, and I'm going to pull another line down. Curve over here for the cuff of the glove. And now I'm going to draw a circle here for the thumb area. Curve. And over here I'm going to draw another curve. Curve. Close this off. Down. Down. Curve to the right here. Curve to the right. Go up to close it. And now I'm going to draw 1, 2, 3 lines for his fingers. Gonna go over here and curve down for his body. Straight line down. This other side right here for the leg. Line. Line for the other leg. Then I'm gonna go up here and kind of close that off as much as I can. Right on. Let's draw line down there for the tail. Line across for the end of the feet. And I'm going to draw the same thing as the cuff here. I'm going to go boom, boom, like this M or 3. Same thing on this side. This is it's the socks. Curve for the shoe, for the back of the shoe. And then I'm going to go straight over here. Like so. Over here on this side, out. Down over here. Curve, 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 curve. Line, line. Let's draw the other hand over here. Curve over here. Same thing on the cuff as like a 3 or an M. Draw a line connecting that. And the same thing goes on this side. So right here I'm going to have the circle for the thumb. Curve out, pull it down, pulling back in for the fist. Line over there for this is the inside of the hand, right? Where this is more of like the outside fist or whatever. And we're gonna throw a couple of lines in there for the hand, for the fist. Let's go over here for the spikes. So we're gonna pull up, up, down, and then pull up over here on this side, down. I might actually pull it all the way down because they're coming from his back. Line over here, down. I'll pull it down there. Line over here, up, down, curve in, and then one more. It's gonna come out over here, out, down over here, or pull it back. Right on, and that is. Let's see. Oops, I forgot about this too. On the stomach here, gonna go over here. Curve on that area, and you can do this in color, or you can do this in you know, you can do this in color, or you can do this in marker. Even you can actually draw the power up. So for example, like right here, I'm going to draw with a seesaw shape around like an energy, right? So from the floor, right here, it's going to go up. You can kind of go off the page there. So down over here, let me go off the page again. Over here on this side as well, you draw on this zigzag, and then off the page again as well. And for supersonic, I like drawing these little diamond shapes because he's kind of got those diamond shapes around him sometimes. I'll put one kind of around his area, like over him, so that it makes sense. It looks like he's within this this part of the energy, right? This kind of sparkle that's coming out. But that would be supersonic powering up. Let me see, a little bit more here. You could always go, obviously, go back and try to fix some of the marker stuff. Look, this leg is smaller than that leg. I should have made it a little bit bigger. I mean, it's not really a big mistake, but it's kind of one of those things where you're like, you know. Alright, and if you want to keep learning how to draw and keep pushing your skills, go right here to this video on here, on this side. That video I put because it's the exact same theme as the video you just saw, and it I like it as a bit of a pair. So absolutely go check that out right now, another short video.